What's ultimately at stake is the future of an organization.
You absolutely have to implement recognized security practices.
Continuing to be able to maintain your operations in the wake of a cyber attack is critical.
When it comes to cyber attacks, it's not a matter of if, but when.
And in fact, I think things are just heating up.
It's not just a provider issue, it is a health care industry issue.
An effective cybersecurity strategy begins with data governance.
As innovation continues to outpace regulation, our clients' problems, they just don't fit neatly into one practice area. Like, a client might come to me with a privacy problem, but what they really come to me is with a data problem. We were able to build a cloud-based solution for clients where they can store their privacy programs, store their audit logs and their history of how they created what they did, so that as people come and go at a particular client, there's a persistence and a history of the privacy program.
Healthcare data now moves more freely.
With high-tech, which is a law that amended HIPAA,
The law encouraged the adoption of electronic health records,
which has tremendous upside, right? When an individual has all of their medical records, but now you have it outside of the purview of HIPAA.
sometimes less protected.
And health data in itself is very valuable. In fact, it is more expensive to purchase health data on the dark web than it is financial data. And it really comes back to data governance, figuring out what data you have, why you have it, do you need to keep it, how long are you keeping it, where are you keeping it.
When a breach or incident happens, there's a specific plan.
The best incident response strategy is preparation, preparation, preparation.
The responsibilities of all stakeholders are documented. Tabletop exercises test the response in real time.
What are the things that we're going to do to make sure that we can still provide the level of service or the level of care to patients, even though we may be under an active cyber attack? That's job one.
It's a proactive approach for the increasing number of regulatory inquiries.
Most importantly today, with so many of the regulators, is did you have a plan and did you follow it? We can say, yeah, we didn't deviate from our plan because we've practiced it over and over and we know what it says and we know what we want it to say.
Addressing regulatory risks and enforcement actions, as well as all reputational risks.
We do this job for two primary reasons: to make sure that businesses can continue to do what they do. And then it's thinking about how do we protect the branded reputation of those companies when they have a problem. Those are the two imperatives that drive our practice, that drive our engagement with clients more than anything else.
We're dealing with people's health. It's life and death now. It's not just financial data.
I will always say to clients who come to me, I always try to get to yes. Having a team that is really able to understand in depth not just the technology, but also the regulatory environment, and be able to put those two together to make the case for how to get to yes, that's the best possible kind of solution.